Hello. Greetings for Chrysos Full. Today we are going to see a short tutorial regarding layers in NanoCad and AutoCAD. Let us create a new file. Draw a line. Switch on ortho mode. Copy the line by pressing CP in the command line. Type layers and create a new layer. Change its color to red. Go to the layout. Click on View and add a single viewport. Copy the viewport by pressing CP. Double-click inside the right viewport. Now there are two options depending on the software you use. In NanoCAD, type layer, and then select the layer you want to freeze. Click on VP Freeze. Type RE to refresh. In AutoCAD, type LAYFRZ in command line. Then select the layer and press Enter. Now we have two viewports with different layer combinations. Thanks for watching.